It's 8:52 a.m. and we're buying some car parts right now for the RSX. And this popped up. How long the post popped up?
Literally about an hour ago.
An hour ago? Yeah, we're buying some Recaros. They might be reps though, to be honest, but they look like some good ass reps. I'll tell you that much.
How you doing? Good morning. Can I
We're putting gas. We got an hour drive up there.
Yeah, cash, right?
Yeah, cash.
Yeah, cash. God damn, it's cold as hell.
Yeah, it's brick. You told them regular?
Yeah, I told them regular.
Oh, they're putting Fent in the pollen, bro. My allergies have been kicking my ass this week.
Imagine that's her right there.
How far are we, baby?
Right now.
Are we here?
Yes.
Are we there yet? Imagine that's them. Well, let's see some cars. What is that, a Cobra? I see a Mustang Cobra. CRX right here. 5-lug conversion. And I think it's a CRX SI too.
I think it is.
Bro, this car is...
That's what we need, the sound booth.
Yeah, we need the sound deadening from Amazon. Hell yeah, I already bought the seat. So, I showed you guys a split second of the seat, but the seat is literally in the bed of the truck. I strapped it down as best as I can, honestly. Coming to find out, those seats might be real, actually. It got Recaro branding all over the place. It got the little adjustments, the adjustment knobs, branded by Recaro. And there's a serial number from 2004. I'm gonna look it up and see if I put the serial number in, I guess, in the search bar in Google and figure out what it sends me to. But that might be a real Recaro seat. And if that's a real Recaro seat, $100, bro. Yeah, I'm kind of mad. Because where the hell was these steals at for my Civic? But anything to make the RSX a better car and make it more of ours, you know? So, Facebook steal of the day or of the week. Because I'm gonna post a screenshot. I'm gonna post a screenshot in the vid, like right here. Motherfuckers are asking $4 for a set of blue Recaros. So it's like I could probably restore that seat, be all in that seat, $500 probably in total, hopefully $500-600, and I can turn around and sell that seat by itself for like $1,200, $1,300, $1,400, if people are really getting $4 off of blue Recaros. So, but we're keeping those seats. Blue Recaros, we have been looking for blue Recaros since we've had the car, but we didn't know we was gonna keep the car until right now. So, yeah. These seats are rough, but for $100, like we just looked up how much these freaking seats go for. Seats go for like $1,500. I don't know if you're able to tell, but it says 2004 right there. Like the camera won't pick it up, but yeah, that's crazy. I need an upholstery guy. Before I even think about putting these seats in the car, I want them 100% restored and detailed, cleaned up. Put some life back into this seat. And then also put some life back into the RSX too. You know? Building this car on a budget, but we getting lucky. Crazy. Woo. Drove an hour going 90 miles an hour with these little straps. So yes, I trust my strap game. Pause. Yeah, we gotta
You gotta really send
meticulously deep clean. I don't think I ever showed you guys, but we also got a cat too. His name is Turbo. Yeah, this is our cat. Hey, yo. Hey. Yo, Turbo. Yeah. But yeah, now this is the time to show y'all a bunch of interior parts we got for the car. I got a NRG steering wheel, quick release. Came with the hubs. I'll put that right there. Not bad. Also got a brand new climate control stack. I took the vent out. Also has the vent. I think the dude that I bought these seats from actually need this. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff that we got for the interior for this car. But we're gonna try to save that seat as best as we can. If there's really mold on it.
Yeah, it's right there.
Wait, brother. It's coming along, honestly. But I'm very worried about the mold. Mold is not good. Like, I was getting ready to throw the seat away.
Mold is right there.
Where? Oh, all of that? That don't even look like mold.
Nah, that's mold.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That looks like the insulation in the seat.
That's mold.
All right. We just gotta spray it down and deeply clean this shit. Like, look at that. Oh, I needed that.
Ew, that shit stinks. That's it. That's it, because we gotta do the back.
How long ago were you cleaned it? Like 2 days ago?
Yeah, like 2 days ago.
All right, so this is it 2 days later. It's looking much better than before. I don't know. But we're about to start collecting bad condition Recaros like Infinity Stones. Because we might have found another pair of Recaros for my car. And they're red. So, you feel me? But, this is, I guess, sort of the finished product, I guess. I'm gonna need to buy an attachment for that drill right there on the window. Because, just so I could get in the actual crevices. But other than that, $100? $100? This is nice. I could doing this side, getting all of this green BS stuff off. It's not mold. Mold usually comes out like white. I wish I never slept on a bunch of parts that I was gonna buy for this car. I was gonna buy a fresh OEM A-spec lip and bumper and everything, but I slept. All right, guys, this is probably gonna be the end of this video. There's many more coming. We got my favorite neighbor over here again. You feel me? Just give him a follow. His Instagram is on the screen. Just ignore the bumper about to fall. But this is how the seat looks. Hold on, let me give you guys a flashlight. All right, I turned the flash on. Carpet is in, seat is in. The seat got a little dirty because the seat sat in the car. But other than that, car's coming along. I'll show you guys on the other side. But yeah, $100 Recaro. Yeah, this whole car, nickname, broken. The Brocan. Project Brocan. Keep you guys up to speed. We bolted this seat down. I'm gonna actually put some pictures up on the whatchamacallit, but we took the seat out because we need sliders. Like where this seat bolts at, not only, of course, I can't get comfortable because the seat is gonna come out to like right. The seat is gonna come out all the way up here. Obviously, my big ass can't fit in there, and my girl can't even fit in there with the seat in. especially comfortably. Like she's like way too close to the clutch and everything. So it's like,
What did
yeah.
you take off?
Huh?
Did you take that off?
Yeah, that bulb, yeah. But yeah, right now
How you take it
we're
off?
just trying to clean up the car.